Hi friends, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I want to show you how you can use VLC to separate audio from a video. In another word, how you can extract audio from video without not using any advanced video editing software, but just a media software that you use to watch movie, and that is VLC. So without much ado, let us get started. Remember to subscribe to this channel. So the first thing is to launch your VLC, and then here it is, and then you're going to look for the video that you want to extract the audio. So I'm going to look for a free video that doesn't have any copyright, so that I'll be able to make use of the audio. So here is one video, and then I'm going to just import it into VLC. It will start to play. You see, it will start to play, and then I want to remove the audio from this particular video. You can do it with any musical video or movie, or you want to use an audio from a particular MP4, you can actually use this method. So you are going to just take it back to the beginning, that's to 0, and then just click on media. And once you click on media, you are going to click on convert slash save. So here it is, convert slash save, and then the shortcut is Control R, convert slash save. So I'm gonna click on it, and then it's going to bring this particular window. So here you need to pay a very close attention, because any little mistake, you may not be able to convert that a video into MP3. So now you have to click on add. Well, it's as if we want to bring in back what we have already brought. So here in this place, we are going to look for the video. So if the video that we want to use is in that directory, you can just, if it is on desktop, click on desktop. It is on video, click on video. Just look for the directory. So yeah, I'm going to scroll down again and look for that video, and here it is. I save it as keyboard. Are you getting it? And then I click on open. So here I've already informed this software that I want to export this particular video, and then we need to do some settings here. So here all you have to do is you come to this convert slash save. So click on this down button. Can you see? You now come to convert, or probably you click on Alt plus OK. I'll take it again. Come to this place. Are you getting it? Click on it, and you come to convert. So yeah, once you now click on convert, you could see that I've been using this software to convert it as MP3, but you will not see it there in the profile aspect. Can you see? So in the profile, we'll see video, yeah, this and that. What you just need is you can convert to OGG, and you can convert to MP3. So since we are always using MP3, so I would suggest that you click on MP3. So just click on audio MP3, and then one thing you still have to note is that you have to look for the destination file. That is, you are telling the VLC that, okay, where do you want this file, where do you want to be saved? So that is what we're going to do now. So click on browse, And then I don't want to put it there in video in order not to mix. Let me just look for a place. Let me go inside music and save it inside, I think, top 11 or so. And then I now call this extracted audio. I name it as extracted audio. Are you getting it? So you now click on save. Once you click on save, you can see that the destination file have shown, right? You now click on start. Now, if it's kind of long, let's say an hour, you have to wait for it to load. This is what I mean. Let's click on start. So I click on start, and then you could see that the VLC is already exporting. This is how the something will be. Your home may be fast and may be slow, depending on the audio that you are actually, extracting. So it's almost done, and then boom, that is all. So what you just have to do now is to look for the location where you actually save the work. So here I click on file manager, and probably I just come to this place. So remember, I put it on music. So I click on music, and I come to audio, YouTube, and I remember that I put it in top 10, and I saved it as extracted audio. Now to confirm, if I hover my mouse on this place, you can see that it is saying mp3 audio file, and if I right click, of course I'm still going to play, and click on property, you will surely see that its type of file is what? mp3 audio file VLC. So just you cannot extract it, you can send it to your phone, you can play it anywhere, you drop it, and you can see that the video is not there, and it is the audio that actually came out. So this is how you can extract audio from video using VLC media player. If you love this video, consider to subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to see you in the next video.